Hi guys, let's make green peas masala. I have soaked the green peas. It's a dried green peas. I have soaked it overnight for 8 hours and it has become like this. I'm going to pressure cook this. Add water, 2 to 3 cups is good. Add salt, now we are going to grind all of these. So this has half onion, 3 garlic cloves, this much ginger, green chilies according to your spice level, and 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. Don't add water, just grind it. It looks like this. Let's heat the pan and pour oil. Now let's add the ground onion, garlic and ginger, that paste. I have also made the tomato paste. Just grind the tomato and make a tomato puree. The tomato puree, just grind the tomato. Keep mixing it. Otherwise it will burn in the bottom, so you should always keep mixing it. Now it's almost like 3 to 4 minutes. Now you can add the tomato puree to it. Again keep mixing it. Now I am adding little turmeric powder, little bit of salt because the peas already has salt in it. Let me take the pressure cooked peas. See? Should be like this. Don't make it too smushy and not too hard. When you press it, it should be like that, so that you have the texture. I'm pressing it. It should be like that. So this is also almost done. Now let's add the pressure cooked peas to it. Mix it. Just bring it to one boil now. garam masala, 2 spoons of garam masala is enough. It's boiling and that's it, enough, it's done. You can turn it off. I'm going to add cut onions and cilantro, and let's garnish it. And cilantro. See? Let me taste it. It tastes so good, and this will go very well with roti or chapati. Bye.